Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Ferry from Tools and Gadgets, and today we have the Atelier iPhone 17 Pro Max cases. So this was sent to me for the purpose of making this review, so a big shout out to ESR for sending this one. And if ever you're interested in purchasing one of this, guys, so my affiliate link will be posted down in the description box below and also in the pinned comment section. So we have a two brand new release here, guys. So we have three colors here, but the one that they sent me is a black color and a burgundy color. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, I have both the iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue and in orange, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it up and see how it fits. All right guys, so yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. First up, we're gonna be opening the burgundy. So the burgundy, guys, I think this would probably fit here in the orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so inside you have your care here, so how to install this, but yeah, I'll show it to you how to install. And here you have your instruction here and how to use the stand here at the back, so you can see that. So yeah, you can do a 90-degree position or 45-degree position. Yeah, you can do that. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, inside, guys, as you can see, you have the burgundy color here on the side. You have your power button here. You have your camera touch control here, and you have a lanyard here so that you can insert your lanyard. This doesn't come with a lanyard, so you need to provide it on your own. Here are the cutouts for the audio, the microphone, and the USB-C port. Here on the side, you have your volume buttons and the action button. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, by the way, guys, this is a vegan leather, guys. So as you can see here, yeah, so as this is a leather, it is virtually stain free and it's really hard to scratch. So yeah, let's go ahead and put in our iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange color. Let's see how it fits, just like that. So you can see, so yeah, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange fits perfectly in this burgundy color, guys. So yeah, before anything else, guys, the one thing I noticed about this, guys, is that they upgraded their stand here at the back. It now contains a magnet here. So their previous version, guys, I've been using ESR as well, and here, guys, they're still using the clip here on each side. So you can see over there to clip this. So if you won't be pressing this firmly, it would be protruding out. So you need to press it firmly, not compared to this, where they're using already a magnet here. So once it goes down, it snaps into place. You don't need to push it more to close it. So yeah, you have this beautiful finish here, guys. So yeah, I really adore this camera guard here, since it's really aesthetic and yeah, it protects your camera really well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how the camera control goes. All right, so yeah, let's test the camera, guys. So as you can see here, they have the camera touch control here, so you could control practically anything here. So you could take a picture of this just like that and change controls. It's really nice. It is virtually stain free, so whenever you drop anything here or whenever you drop food here, so yeah, you could just wipe it off and it's good to go. So yeah, so this, once again, guys, is a vegan leather. As you can see, the texture here, it's really nice, and that's what I heard, guys, from ESR. It's really hard to make this. So yeah, they still managed to produce such a very beautiful case here. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the black one. So yeah, this is the black one, guys. So I'll be putting this here on my iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue color. All right, so same as the burgundy, guys, you have your care card here, and here you have your ESR gear here, and here you have also the manual on how to operate the magnetic stand here at the back, which is really cool, guys. You could use this for video calling or just playing regular videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and put my 17 Pro Max in deep blue here. So yeah, just like that. So once I put on the case, guys, I really like to put the camera first. So yeah, let me just show you. So yeah, here's the camera. I put this here since there's a hard thing here at the back. So yeah, I really like to put that first and go work my way down. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys, with the black vegan leather and with the deep blue color, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, it's really nice, guys. They really put the attention to the detail here, and same as the burgundy, this is really virtually scratch free and stain free, which is really cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this on. All right, guys, so here's a side-by-side comparison with the burgundy and the black version. So as you can see, they really put attention to the detail there. As you can see here, this is also color black. The stand And here it's silver with matches the burgundy color here. So yeah, me and my wife, guys, has been using this ESR hybrid case. So this has a stand as well. So I'm pretty familiar with how this works. So whenever me and my wife goes on a video call, we just pop this up. So instead of doing like that, guys, which you could do as well, but do not press on that because this will break. So yeah, we usually do it like that so that you could get your height adjustment properly. So yeah, as you can see, it's nearly closed, but still it's still holding, which is really cool, guys. So yeah, it's really nice, guys, to have this. So thank you, ESR, for sending this Atelier case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, what we're waiting for, guys, I'll be posting my link in the description box below and also in the pinned comments section. As always, I'll see you again in our next one. Bye!